Unlocking Management's Core. This presentation explores the foundational concepts of management, equipping you with essential knowledge for effective leadership in any organization. Section 1. Defining management: art, science, and profession. Management is a dynamic field that blends strategic thinking with practical application. It involves orchestrating resources to achieve organizational goals, requiring both analytical rigor and creative problem-solving. 1, 2, 3. Management as an art. Management as a science. Management as a profession. Involves intuition, creativity, and personal judgment. Effective managers use their unique leadership styles and interpersonal skills to inspire and motivate teams. It's about adapting to unique situations and making decisions based on experience. Employs systematic methods, principles, and techniques. Managers analyze data, apply established theories, and use logical processes to solve problems and optimize operations. This aspect relies on measurable outcomes and repeatable processes. Requires specialized knowledge, formal training, and adherence to ethical codes. Professionals in management often hold certifications and continuously develop their skills through ongoing education and experience. Primarily concerned with the execution of policies and plans within the framework set by administration. It focuses on directing and controlling the operations of an organization to achieve set objectives. Involves the formulation of broad objectives, policies, and plans. It is the decision-making body that defines the overall goals and framework for the organization. Focus. Policy formulation. Focus. Implementation. Nature. Determinative. Nature. Executive. Role. Decides what is to be done and when. Role. Decides who does it and how. Section 3. Levels of management and managerial processes. Management. Directly oversees employees, manages daily operations, and ensures tasks are completed efficiently. E.g., team leaders, supervisors, foremen, translates top management's goals into specific departmental objectives and supervises lower-level managers. E.g., department heads, branch managers, responsible for overall direction, strategic planning, and setting organizational goals. E.g., CEO, President, Board of Directors. Various roles and styles depending on the situation and organizational culture. These range from directive to highly participative approaches. Directive, autocratic. Participative, democratic. Laissez-faire. Manager makes decisions and expects employees to follow. Effective in crisis, less so for innovation. Involves employees in decision-making, fostering engagement and collaboration. Provides minimal guidance, allowing employees autonomy. Best for highly skilled, self-motivated teams. The groundwork for modern management practices, focusing on efficiency, structure, and human factors. Frederick W. Taylor. Henri Fayol. Pioneered scientific management, focusing on optimizing work processes through time and motion studies. His principles aim to increase industrial efficiency and productivity. Developed the 14 Principles of Management, providing a comprehensive framework for administrative functions and organizations. Section 6. Human Relations and Behavioral Schools. These schools shifted focus from purely mechanical efficiency to the human element in organizations. Hawthorne Studies. Conducted by Elton Mayo, these experiments at the Western Electric Hawthorne Works revealed that social and psychological factors significantly impact worker productivity and satisfaction, leading to the concept of the Hawthorne effect. Behavioral School. Built on the Hawthorne findings, this school emphasizes understanding human behavior, motivation, and group dynamics in the workplace. Key theorists include Abraham Maslow, Hierarchy of Needs, and Doug. Key takeaways and next steps. Management is a multifaceted discipline, blending art, science, and professionalism. Understand the distinction between management, execution, and administration, policy formulation. Recognize the 3 levels of management and their distinct roles. Explore various managerial styles and their situational applicability. Appreciate the foundational contributions of Taylor and Fayol, and the human-centric insights from the Hawthorne studies. Next steps. Apply these concepts to real-world organizational scenarios and critically evaluate their effectiveness.